Welcome back, traders. It is the first trading day of Q2 and markets are already showing their hands. But remember, we have news hitting at the 30-minute opening range. We've got S&P Manufacturing, ISM, and Jolt all coming in hot. So expect a tricky open and sudden volatility spikes. Yesterday, we opened with a gap down beneath 5,590 and we dipped below 5,551 for a textbook liquidity grab, then reversed like a slingshot, filling the Globus gap and smashing through all upside targets into the close. Let's break it all down. Okay guys, on the 10-day volume profile, Monday's reversal pulled, we see on the 10-day volume profile, we see Monday's reversal pulled right back into value area right here after dipping beneath August POC 5,551. Structure is rebuilding within this familiar territory. On the weekly chart, we see that ES rejected the break below 5,527 and climbed above the weekly POC at 5,586. Struggles remain above 5,570 and a new double distribution forms between 5,617 and 5,627. In the 2-hour delta chart, we see that buyers flexed real strength yesterday, reclaiming this 5,590 and driving through the 5,617 line in the sand yesterday, holding above the VWAP now, but sellers are active above 5,665, so we need to watch that area. The New York TPO. On the New York TPO, after opening below 5,566, ES tested downside early but extended back into Friday's value area and left a new single print at 5,617. And then finally on the 1-hour chart, we see a new A to B range forming right here. Globex is ranging above Monday's single print and strike prices are narrowing a bit, which usually means a controlled direction move is on the deck. So for a game plan, I will have 5,658, which is yesterday excess low. Bulls can long from 5,661, targeting 5,680, 5,705 and 5,718. Conversely, bears will short from 5,653, targeting 5,640, 5,617 and 5,600.